Okay, so basically I want my software to make logos like this. So I am doing some modifications and you will see if I'm able to modify my software so it makes what they call leaf logos or laurel wreath leaves, or I don't know what they call this, but these are fancy logos. They're very popular, they use them a lot. So let's see if I can change some things. I already have my script and everything, my code for my software. All I gotta do is do some changes because I already tested and it's not making enough copies. So let's make this 15 copies and minimum 3. So we're gonna increase it from 10 to 15. And now let's test it. So the first thing we're gonna do is draw a leaf and make blend copies like the one you saw. So we're gonna trace our leaf here using the Bezier tool here, and let's just basically do like triangle or kite shape, step Bezier, and now we're gonna double click and curve to form that leaf shape. And to be honest, I didn't pay attention how the leaf looked like, but it was close to this. So now let's do another copy here. So let's clone and mirror the image. So we're gonna look for mirror, I think is right here, and we're going to rotate this because the leaf was a little bit more upward like this. So I think it was like this. Okay, so now let's download it and do a copy of that. So download the image, it'll be as design frame number 1. So now let's upload exactly that image and we're gonna blend it to make this same like logo that you saw in the intro. By the way, guys, if you want to buy my software, I will leave the link below, and it'll be on the description or on the first comment. Also, if you want to learn how I make this entire software by myself, I also have a special tutorials where I show you how to do it so you can make your own software and sell it too under your name. So you have to join my advanced membership. The join, just click on the join button below or on the description, the link to join, or just go to my channel and find the join membership option. So now let's click here on blend object and you will see this list right here. So we can blend this the same size, keep this blended the same size, or we can make it from big to small. Let's try this first. Okay, so let's do let's say maybe 13 copies. Okay, we'll see how it looks. If it's not, well, we can do a copy image. So blend and let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, I think I like this. It looks similar to the image that we saw. Okay, let's get rid of this and maybe one more, or you know what, let's do one more. So now the next tip is to I'm going to erase one of these leaves because I forgot to keep the original one, make a copy of the single one. So but no problem, I can just use this same one and just like rotate this image. We're gonna do, let's try this angle. Okay, I think that looks great. Or maybe, yeah, there we go. I think we got something now. And right there. All right, so now let's download this and let's see, we're gonna upload it again. So let's upload the image, which will be number 2 now. All right, this is the one. So now let's go and find rotate 90 degrees. Let's rotate again, and finally one more time, and we have it. So now let's make this smaller. Okay, I think that was this size. And let's do another clone, maybe up here a little bit more. Okay, and let's find the mirror object. Okay, there's the copy. And let's actually place this a little closer to the center. Okay, and now we have succeeded. I think this looks really great. I love it. Now let's freeze the shades so they don't move anymore. Now we're gonna trace a circle. So let's do a circle. I think the original image had a circle here. And maybe we can just draw like a star to make it, spice it up a little bit. So let's find the star. There we go. Draw a star. Not too big, of course, just big enough. And let's leave it there. Okay. So now let's add a text initials. So let's do my name, Luis. Okay. Let's find a nice font. The English font was really nice. I like it. Okay. And let's leave it there. Okay. Now let's do my name again, but this time it will be full name. So let's type in my name and make it bigger. We can also turn this into a PNG, but I think this will be enough. Okay, I think maybe smaller. Okay, I think this will be fine. This is just to test it. Honestly, it's no big deal. So let's download it again, and let's capture the background to a metallic background. So first we're gonna upload the background. I have a golden background here, and let's upload the last, which is this one, the one I just designed with my own software. And there it is. Now let's select the logo that we designed and capture the background, and there it is. Okay, now let's turn the frame black and see the final product, and I love it. So yeah, we succeeded. We can now make those same type of logos here on my software. Again, guys, if you're interested, I will leave the link below if you want to buy it, or if you want to learn how I did it step by step. You can also get the membership so you can watch the special video on how I make this software and also other digital products that I promote on my channel. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.